Hello everyone. Today we will discuss and show the presence and distribution of stomata on leaf. For this, the materials required are a fresh leaf, slightly thick, saffronine solution, glycerin, some distilled water or boiled water which has been cooled, forceps, needle, a blade, a thin brush, watch glass, slides, a cover slip, a dropper, and a microscope. So let's begin with the experiment. First, we take a watch glass and pour some distilled or boiled and cooled water on it. Let's keep this aside. Next, we take a thick leaf, we cut it at an angle with our hand, and now we take a forceps and carefully try to peel off a portion of this leaf and place it directly onto the watch glass. You should try that the peel does not turn and it moves straight into the watch glass. You can take this peel either from the front side or from the back side of the leaf. It's okay, just that the front side would have less stomata as compared to the back side. Next, I take some saffron solution and I put 1 to 2 drops of the solution onto the watch glass. I let it remain here for around 10 to 12 seconds. The saffron solution has been added so that the stomata are clearly visible on the leaf. Next, I take a glass slide and very carefully with the forceps I lift it and I put it on the watch glass, on the slide. After this, I take a blade and I'll try to cut a clear piece of this . I should try that the leaf peel does not curl so that it's easily visible from the microscope. Okay, so now this is pretty clear. Next, I take some glycerin in a dropper and I pour 2 to 3 drops of glycerin on this. After this, I take a cover slip and I carefully place the cover slip on the slide. This has to be done very carefully so that there are no air bubbles trapped inside. So our slide for viewing the stomata is ready now. What we do now is we take a microscope and we place the slide on the microscope. And we view it. So now we are trying to view this peel of leaf under the microscope, and if you would notice, there are so many pores visible on the leaf, and these are the stomatal openings. Hence we see that there are so many stomatal openings on the surface of the leaf. Thank you.